Thank you very much. My name is Willy Kimani. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer of Naivas Supermarket. Currently, we are happy to be opening our 95 store as we journey towards our 100th store. This is not only that, but we also anticipate to be a $1 billion company, as we had actually anticipated by the close of this particular financial year. So what are we happy about is that not only are we growing, but we're actually getting more and more profitable stores. We are now more in a more affluent and getting to also affluent, and the customers accepting and appreciating what exactly we have to offer. We have to say that things have been tough in the country. The budget yesterday clearly also shows the same, and the headlines and everything, as you can clearly see, times are tougher. And what we are doing is making sure that we continue with our aggressiveness as far as Kikapu Kikwetu is concerned, that every basket that we get is cheaper at Naivas, because we believe we are the Kenyan supermarket that has to particularly lead in that particular journey. So we are grateful as we open this particular store with a lot of focus on fresh, getting partnership, for example, with Art Cafe to come and join us as we open the store, as we enhance our bakery offerings, getting very nice offering as far as our meat is concerned, as far as our fruits and veggies are concerned, and just making sure that the assortment for this store matches up to the clientele for Karen, and keeping the Naivas promise in that this is going to be the most preferred place by both value, feel, look, and all that. We have left nothing to spare as we actually did this particular store. So happy to be growing, happy to be part of the Kenyan journey as we continue to journey towards our 100th store. Thank you.